Today we're going to Portland, which is really exciting.
Portland is one of the most beautiful and peaceful parts of Jamaica. It's located on the north coast and it's known for its amazing views, beautiful beaches and calm atmosphere. The main town, Port Antonio, is a quiet and a relaxed place where you can enjoy nature and local Jamaican culture. The first time we went to Portland was 3.5 years ago during the COVID-19 pandemic. There were fewer tourists back then, but we fell in love with the place right away. People in Portland live simply, and it's easy to talk to locals and hear their amazing stories.
Portland has some amazing places to visit. Frenchman's Cove is a beautiful beach with soft white sand and clear water. Blue Lagoon is a big natural pool with blue water that looks magical. There are also rainforests, waterfalls and great hiking spots, so it's perfect for anyone who loves nature. Every time we visit in Portland, it feels special. The natural beauty and peaceful vibe are like nothing else. It's one of our favorite places to relax, get inspired, and enjoy Jamaican culture.
We saw soursop no, sweetsop on the tree here. You want to show them?
Yeah.
Come.
Let's go to see.
Look.
Yay! Beautiful.
Why do you think we can pick it? This one. Not that. This is really small.
Beautiful. Right?
Right?
So yalla, let's go to Portland.
Yes.
Yalla, Chenil.
We arrange our stuff, you know. Maybe I will bring
He's our luggage man.
Road we are going now.
Road we are going now.
I will bring the things that I can bring, you know.
You should have brought only the water. Everyone on his side. You know, I'm here just like to give them energy, support them. The key. I'm going to bring the key. This is my job in this group. I'm kidding. I swear. Yalla. So first we'll go to get coffee and then we'll continue. So people, I'll explain to you something. I'll explain to you. We are going to Portland and we don't know where we're going to stay, okay? We don't know. We don't have an Airbnb. We don't have a plan. We're just going there so randomly. And I don't know what we think to ourselves, but we have some options that we thought that maybe there we are going to sleep, but I don't know if it's available. What? He wants me to drive now, you understand? You understand? What kind of man this is?
You can drive to there.
I just want me to drive to the door, it's fine. It's fine, people. Okay, I'll leave you here with me. Vlog. Look, I need to get so... What? No, I don't have the key here. I cannot start the car.
The car.
Look what we are going to do with the coffee. We understood that the coffee here is too intense for us. So in Portland, what we are going to do, it's me and Ba will get single shot together because we bring a lot of coffee.
You're talking about double shot.
No,
A single shot.
we'll try both and then we'll see. We'll bring milk and then we'll have a coffee. Abba? Thank you. Portland, here we come.
We're heading to Portland for something really exciting. We're going to record 2 songs with our producer, who we first met 3.5 years ago. We originally connected when we stayed at his Airbnb in Portland, and we instantly became friends. Back then we recorded a song just for fun, but now we're making it official and turning it into a professional project.
Our producer has a big name in Jamaica. He has worked with well-known artists. At the time, we didn't really know the Jamaican music scene, but we had such a strong connection with him that we knew we had to create music together. Now, we are finally making it happen. While we are in Portland, we will also be creating content for our YouTube channel, sharing everything with you. Portland is such a beautiful and inspiring place, and we can't wait to capture the magic, the music, the vibe, and the stunning views. This trip is going to be a special part of our journey as artists and creators.
Hey, come. We're going to get a coffee. So we're going to Blue Cafe, but we got milk from Starbucks because it's the best milk, it's Oatly. So now we are in Blue Cafe. I'm going to get for Bar the milk. Tam tam tam. This is the vlog on the way to Portland, you know? So I don't know if you remember what happened to us.
Yes.
We went to the Blue Cafe and we ordered this, exactly both of them, but then they said we cannot pay in Apple Pay, only by cash or card, and we didn't have, so we needed to leave everything at a place. So today we are here to get our craving, you know? So let's try it. Let's get it.
We are going in Mumbai, then you come Kingston, we come in Kingston. That's them open one in Butchery. Yes, so it's opening
We'll have to keep forks.
it's April the 1st. Yeah?
Oh,
Yeah. We'll check it out. Nice location though. Right on the front, that's all. Traffic man.
This is an old friend, you know?
In that plaza there. Yeah.
We met him last year.
yeah.
Jack.
Maybe
I drive to
Lebanon.
Mumbai.
He's Jamaican.
On the way back in.
Kind of. Kind of.
Always over there for-
Yeah, about that.
What?
Oh, it's so dark. You look terrible. We need to update you. So what happened? Now it's 5 and we're still in Kingston because we met some friends here in the plaza. And actually we met someone that is Jewish and is here, and he explained us like a really interesting story. We'll tell you soon on the way, you know?
Yeah.
What I mean? But it was interesting. So now it's 5 p.m. and only now we're going to Portland. Oh my God. And we don't know where are we going to sleep tonight. So good luck for us. We'll see you soon.
Jamaica might live up we stand. Yaman girls with the rhythm strong. That's one night chanting with song. Leave all the troubles, leave all the fear. Found the freedom, skies bright and clear. Meet the people, feel the love, blessings falling from above.
What a bad decision to go at night, people.
Turn on.
Okay.
No, look, feel the window.
Now to see the road. We shouldn't do that. Hello, Portland. What a nice view, huh? We reached to Airbnb we found. Hi. Hello, vlog. So now we're going to the room. Yeah, yalla. Yeah, this is basically the place. This is basically the place. Wow, wow. It's a long walk until the room, and this is the room, you know? Yo. Yo, we have so many stuff. You don't even understand. Nothing. Whoa. So what happened? We understood that we don't really have space for all our luggages because there is no space here. So we need to arrange now our stuff for Portland. Bar said all her dirty clothes. I don't know why. I'll tell you what happened. We said that we will let you know. So we met a guy that is Jewish, and he is in Jamaica, you know, he was born here actually. And he explained to us that there was a big Jewish community here in Jamaica back then, like, when was it? About 80 years ago. They were really advanced because the British...
More than 80, 100 years.
No, 1913, he said this is when they moved to Jamaica.
Yeah.
But 80 years ago, Jamaica was really developed, and the British really developed the country, and they were the first country with a train or something like that. And then from there, it just like, they backwards. That's what he said, not me. But actually, it was really interesting. He spoke about that a lot of Jewish from Syria, Lebanon, especially Spain, where else? Portugal, all of them, they came to Jamaica because they accept them, and then they decide to live to New York. So only like 2,000 left, something like that. So it was pretty cool. He didn't want us to shoot him because he said that he's not a
camera guy.
not camera guy. He said that he's not good at history really, or something like that. Like he doesn't want to say, you know, there is a thing because you're online that people start to judge you and say
He doesn't
stuff.
want to say stuff that he doesn't really
Sure.
about.
Because if you don't sure, and then people will start to be like, oh, he's talking nonsense all the time, then it's, you know, it can hurt. I don't know how I moved to that, but
Yeah.
so now we're trying to arrange here, or a bar is trying to arrange here. And we'll see what from there.